In this video, we're gonna check if we can install GCam on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So let's get right into it. First, we're gonna go to the Play Store and we're gonna search for an app that is called GCam. There we go. And this is the app that we want to install. This app allows us to check if there is any version for our A36 5G of the GCam. So let's wait for the app to be installed. And now let's open it. We didn't have to agree to notifications, so I'm gonna press don't allow. And now, as you can see, the camera to APA module is disabled, so most likely we won't be able to use GCam. And the GCam for this Samsung is not available. I'm gonna just press request GCam. Perhaps in the future it will be somehow added, but I don't think it will be possible to actually use it. Nevertheless, we can also switch to GCams over here at the bottom. Let's type Samsung, and then we can try to get the GCam from similar device. So let's say I'm gonna try to find the newest version, but I think these are pretty old, 8.4, and there is nothing newer. So I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna press start download. Of course, we have an ad. There we go. Now, once the download is done, we can actually open in folder. I'm gonna select open in folder. Let's see if it works. And I'm gonna choose files. All right. So here, what we can do is we can tap on this file. This will be the APK file. This is the installer. Of course, this is an unknown app, so we have to go to settings in order to grant the permission. So let's press allow permission to install unknown apps. And then we want to install the app. Unfortunately, we also have the auto blocker enabled, so in this case we need to go to settings. Then here we need to go to security and privacy and turn off auto blocker. There we go. And let's give it another try. So let's go back. Let's install. And we're gonna check if it is possible to actually use the GCam. Most likely it will either not open or it will crash often. All right, app installed. Let's see. Let's grant the permission. Record audio. Let's allow everything, and the app already crashed. So I'm gonna give it another try. And unfortunately the app is crashing. So the answer is no, we cannot really use GCam on Galaxy A36 5G. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!